Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set the volume button to zoom in and out on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can repurpose the volume button to zoom in and out. Currently, it's set to take a photo or take a video recording. However, you can go ahead and change this. So let me show you how to do this. So on your camera app, you want to go ahead and tap on this 4 dots and then tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find shooting methods. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find press volume button to take photo or record a video. So tap on this. Now you can go ahead and change it to zoom in and out. Now once you've done that, go back to your camera app. Now you want to go ahead and use your zoom button here. This is zoom out and this is zoom in. So this way you get smoother zoom control and you reduce the shake while filming or composing your shot. So there you go guys, that is how to set the volume button to zoom in and out on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.